Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to present the finding of our research, which was conducted with the generous support of a research grant provided by Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology or Kemendikbudristek. This project aligns with the Ministry mission to foster innovation and advance scientific contribution that address both national and global challenges. Our study focuses on the dual modification of Adlai or Coix lacrimojobi flower, a promising but underutilized cereal crop to enhance its functional properties and expand its potential application in the food industry. Through the presentation, I will share the background, objectives, novelty, and key results of our research, which we hope will contribute meaningfully to the development of alternative and functional food ingredients in Indonesia and beyond. First of all, let me introduce you to our research group from University of Padjadjaran. There are Mrs. Herlina Marta as Minister of Proposer, Mr. Yana Cahyana as member, and me, Hasna Lifaraudia, as members. Let's begin from background. Adlai or Coix lacrimojobi, commonly known as job tears or hanjeli, is a nutrient-rich cereal crop that remains underutilized despite its high starch, protein, and bioactive compound content. Compared to staples like rice and wheat, its potential as a functional food ingredient is relatively unexplored. Modification techniques such as fermentation and ultrasonication have shown significant promise in enhancing the properties of starch-rich crops. Fermentation improves protein content, mineral bioavailability, and water retention capacity, while ultrasonication modifies structural properties to enhance digestibility and functionality. However, most studies focus on these techniques independently, leaving a gap in understanding their combined effects, especially on Adlai flours. This study aims to evaluate the impact of dual modification, fermentation, and ultrasonication on Adlai flour. Specifically, it seeks to analyze changes in proximate composition and functional properties and optimize Adlai flour for food and industrial application. The study's novelty lies in applying sequential fermentation and ultrasonication to Adlai flour. While both techniques have been studied individually, their combined effects, especially on this underutilized crop, remain unexplored. This dual approach offers insight into enhancing Adlai flours functionally, paving the way for its use as a wet alternative and functional food ingredients. This is the result of data analysis contain table and graph from physicochemical characteristic and functional properties. Here's the documentation of research process. There are several findings in this research. First, composition change. Dual modification result in increased moisture content but reduced protein and amylose content. For particle size and structure, fermentation followed by ultrasonication produced the smallest particle size. SEM or scanning electron microscopy images revealed irregular granules and increased porosity, improving functionality. For structural and functional properties, FTIR analysis confirmed preserved functional groups while XRD indicate reduced crystallinity, enhancing amorphous regions critical for better functional performance. Improved pasting properties were observed with a higher peak viscosity and a lower gelatinization temperature. For texture and stability, Hardness and adhesiveness were significantly reduced, improving texture. And for the last is enhanced zeta potential, indicate better dispersion stability, a key factor in food application. Conclusion. The dual modification of Adlai flour through fermentation and ultrasonication significantly enhanced its functional and structural properties. This novel approach optimized Adlai flour for both their food and industrial application, making it a promising alternative to conventional flours. That's all the presentation about this research. Thank you.